Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching your DAW sample rate and buffer for stable playback. This prevents latency surprises. Once done, insert the Slate digital virtual tape machine on the track or master insert where you want tape color. You should set the input trim so the meters hit around -6 to -3 dBFS when driving tape. This gives saturation without clipping. Make sure to choose the tape formula and bias presets now because they determine harmonic character and head bump behavior. Now focus on shaping. Increase drive to taste while watching the output to avoid digital clipping. You want natural compression and harmonic content. Next, choose tape speed, 15 inches per second for warm low end, 30 IPS for clearer highs, and engage head bump if you need low frequency enhancement. Once the character sits, use the HF air or low-pass filter to control unwanted tape hiss and high-end glare. Sync any wet/dry balance to parallel process without losing transient detail. Finish by blending wet and dry signals to preserve transients while adding glue. You'll often land around 20–60% wet depending on context. Once balanced, a /B against bypass and listen at different playback levels to ensure the tape color translates. If you encounter harsh distortion or intersample peaks, reduce input trim, drop drive slightly, or enable soft clip. This keeps analog-style saturation without digital nasties. Finally, bounce with the plugin, engaged to commit the tone once satisfied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.